Let's get. There you go. Let's get that one.
See how far she goes.
Yeah, let's see. I want to see it. So who makes that one?
Acetech.
Acetech. Okay.
It came out like November.
Ah.
Alrighty.
Does it have a tracer or no?
Yeah.
Holy fuck! Holy.
That's pretty far.
That's crazy. Yeah, you can definitely hit people midfield with that. Wow, the burst too.
Strategy this.
I might have just taken it.
John.
Are you on back?
We got no arm band.
Are you on back or no?
No bands. No bands. Yeah, they got bands. They got bands.
Oh, we got back. Okay, what team are you on?
We have no arm bands.
The dead team. Sorry, bro.
Okay, I didn't know. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
I didn't know if you got the home guys or not.
No.
Clear. Clear. Guys, come up.
Yeah.
I was like, he's talking too much. Just fucking shoot him. Oh yeah, we're open up here.
There, go ahead, fellas. Go ahead.
He's just gonna get shot. Watch out. Did he move? Oh, he did move. It's a pair of tires I was looking at.
Oh, tacos.
Yeah. Ooh, that went off in the air. You hit the door. Demand. Yeah, watch the back.